I'd like to introduce you to a kitchen powerhouse that's about to take your culinary game to a whole new level. Today, we're diving into the Ninja Professional Blender, a remarkable kitchen appliance that's more than just a blender. It's your ticket to creating restaurant-quality dishes in the comfort of your own home. So, stick around as we explore its features, performance, and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Let's start with what truly sets this blender apart: its sheer power. With 1,100 watts of blending muscle, this machine can handle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, crushing ice, or creating silky soups, the Ninja Professional Blender is up for the challenge. Say goodbye to those frustrating moments when your blender struggles to blend tougher ingredients. One of the standout features of this blender is its exceptional versatility. It's not just a blender, it's a culinary multi-tool. From smoothies to salsas, nut butters to frozen desserts, this blender can do it all. So whether you're a health-conscious smoothie lover or an aspiring gourmet chef, this blender has you covered. But power alone isn't enough, it's the blade design that truly matters. The Ninja Professional Blender boasts precision-engineered blades that effortlessly cut through ingredients, ensuring a smooth and consistent blend every time. No more annoying chunks or uneven mixtures, just the perfect texture you desire. Now, let's talk about convenience. This blender is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It features intuitive controls that make blending a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice in the kitchen, you'll find the controls easy to use. Plus, it comes with pre-programmed settings for common blending tasks, taking the guesswork out of your recipes. Cleanup is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, but not with this blender. The Ninja Professional Blender is a breeze to clean. Its removable parts are dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort. So, no more dreading the cleanup after whipping up your favorite recipes. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. This blender's sleek silver-black design not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen but also makes it a stylish countertop accessory. It's a conversation starter and a kitchen tool all in one. But what truly sets this blender apart is its affordability. Despite its professional-grade performance, it comes at a price that won't break the bank. You're getting a top-tier blender without the premium price tag. In summary, the Ninja Professional Blender is a game-changer for home cooks and food enthusiasts alike. Its powerful motor, versatile functionality, and user-friendly design make it a standout kitchen appliance. So, whether you're blending up nutritious smoothies, experimenting with gourmet recipes, or simply need a reliable tool in your culinary arsenal, this blender is ready to deliver. Say goodbye to kitchen frustrations and hello to culinary creativity. Don't miss the chance to own the Ninja Professional Blender and elevate your cooking game. It's time to create culinary masterpieces with ease and precision. Ready to take your culinary skills to the next level? Click the link below to explore the Ninja Professional Blender and start your journey towards culinary excellence. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting culinary adventures.